On this episode of Cook with Delight, we're gonna make a revised version of the Tandoori Gobi, which is an Indian dish. Gobi is also known as cauliflower. So this involves boiling the cauliflower, coating with a marinade and baking it. So let's now look into the ingredients required for this recipe. Start off by adding the yogurt to a bowl. Then add in the lime juice or lemon juice, the salt, followed by the spices, chili powder, turmeric powder, ground pepper, curry powder, and the mustard oil. So once these are added, mix the marinade well using a fork or a whisk until well combined. So this is my prepared marinade. Now I'm adding in the sugar to it. Meanwhile, let me show you the cauliflower. So I've cut the cauliflower into bite-sized pieces, as you can see, and now I'm adding some salt to it, about half a teaspoon of salt, because we're going to boil the cauliflower, so adding salt helps remove the water. Now I'm adding in the turmeric powder and mixing well until the cauliflower is well coated with the turmeric and salt. I've kept about a cup of water on the stove to boil, and now once it's boiling, I'm adding in my cauliflower, which I mixed with the salt and turmeric initially. So I'm leaving the cauliflower to boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now this is my cauliflower which is boiling. I've left it for like about 5 minutes to boil. Now once it's completed, I'm going to switch out the flame and drain off the excess liquid off the cauliflower, and add in the cauliflower to the prepared marinade and coating the cauliflower well with the marinade. And now I'm going to leave this in the fridge for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to add the rice flour to the cauliflower. You can substitute this rice flour with some breadcrumbs or corn flour. Adding rice flour just gives a better crunch and crispiness to the cauliflower. After that, I'm adding in the ginger and garlic paste and mixing it well. Now I'm going to prepare my oven. I'm going to set it into fan mode and set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. Now I've prepared a tray with a foil paper on top. You can also use baking paper or oil paper, and I'm placing the cauliflower without stacking one on each other. So once that's prepared, I'm going to add that to the oven and bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes. So this is my baked cauliflower. As you can see, this is very delicious. I left it in the oven for about 35 minutes. Leave it to cool for about 10 minutes and take it off the tray. This is a very delicious recipe. You can have it with any kind of bread of your choice, or any kind of rice, or just have it as it is with some salad. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this recipe, please click on the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.